Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm using the Fourth Ray Beauty Rainfall Serum to start off my makeup and start my base. This is a serum that has a bunch of really good stuff for your skin in it, like hyaluronic acid and things like that. And it's my absolute favorite. I have gone through it's like my second bottle, and I have a backup in my drawer actually. So it's my favorite. It's really good. And then I'm going in with the lightweight moisturizer from Fourth Ray as well as the Banana Bright Eye Cream from Ole Henrikson. Did my brows off of camera. They are looking very bold and very dark because I used something new that I haven't used before. I got the Bold Face Makeup Eyebrow Pencil in B7 Chocolate, and it's a little dark for what I usually use, but it's really a nice pencil. I really like it, so I'll just go a little lighter handed on it next time. So I'm using the Loreal concealer as my base, and then I'm going in with the Norvina, I believe it's Volume 1 palette. I always get the volumes confused on like what is what, but I'm pretty sure it's Volume 1. So I'm just using the darker purple shades, and I'm mix them together for each side of my eye, going in the inner corner and outer because I am doing a halo eye today. And then I'm using a very light pink shade. I wish I actually took pictures or something, or I knew what was the actual names of the shades, because in these palettes it's kind of like D1 or like F2, or it's kind of like that type of situation for the names. So anyway, I'm taking the hot pink shade as well, and I'm blending that on the outside of the other pink just to blend the purples and stuff together. And then I'm using the same concealer, and I'm cutting the inside of my crease at the very top, and then I'm kind of blending it out on the sides with the purples, and then we are going to put purple over it like you see now, and just blending out that concealer because you don't want a super harsh line in your inner or outer corners. After it's blended as much as I want it to, I'm taking the Jaclyn Cosmetics turquoise pigment, and then I mixed it together with the Keep Palm glitter by ABH, and it looked so beautiful. And I'm just putting that over where we put all of the concealer shades, and then we will go back in with purple just to blend out the edges because you do not want any harsh lines. So I'm going in with the Most Requested Lash by Bold Face Makeup, the same company that made the brow pencil. I love their lashes. A majority of my lashes are from this company. They are freaking phenomenal, and they're super pretty. So I just went in with the Loreal Paris The Perfecting Face Base, I believe it's called. It's super duper good. I personally have not used the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown, but the concept of it I think is similar to it. If I ever got to try that primer, which is very expensive, if I did, I mean, I think it would be equal to this. I don't know, I could totally be wrong. Just let me know if you've tried it before. And yeah, so obviously you saw it go in with Lumi foundation from Loreal and the Pretty Fresh concealers. I have quickly come to realize that these are some of my favorite concealers. They're super duper good, and I use two different shades, and we are cream contouring today, and not so much as contouring, more as bronzing, because obviously this is a very warm bronzing shade. It's the foundation stick from Colourpop in 175W, which the W stands for warm, so it is a redder, oranger tone, rather than like a cooler tone like a gray. So anyway, I'm using this, and I'm blending it out with the Pretty Fresh sponge as well, and yeah, chisel them cheeks. I'm taking the Colourpop F26 foundation brush, which is the same one I use to put my foundation on with, and I'm going up under the contour just if it was too low, and it helps blend it back up and get rid of any darkness, because you can do the opposite effect of contouring if it's way too low. So now I blend out my nose contour last, and it does look a little crazy, and I do put the lighter shade on the very tip and on the top of my nose, kind of like an exclamation point. I cannot talk today, I'm sorry. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I actually ran out of my other one, which is the #1 shade. I think it's the light shade, and I had to use my 05 Fairlight shade, which is really good though. So anyway, it's an amazing powder, and I ran out of one, and I have never run out of the powder yet, so I'm very impressed with myself. So I'm taking that very fluffy brush and the pink shade, and I'm blending that out with the purple. And so this part, I actually got mascara on my bottom lash line, and I was showing you that you do not want to wipe it off immediately. You want to wait about 60 seconds to let it dry, and it flakes right off with a Q-tip. It's super easy to do, so don't smudge it. And then I use the Dulce de Leche contour kit from Wet n Wild, and then the Flash palette from Jaclyn Cosmetics, and I will put my lip products in the bottom. I did lose some footage, I'm so sorry. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial, and it was informative. Let me know if you try it, tag me in your looks, and I love you. Bye!